If you need to zoom in on an image in Photopea, there are a few super easy ways to do it. And in this video, I'll walk you through each one step by step. Whether you want the fastest keyboard shortcut, a mouse wheel method, or the zoom tool for more precise control, I've got you covered. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The fastest way to zoom in Photopea is by using your keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, press Ctrl and plus to zoom in, and on Mac, press Command and plus. If you want to zoom out, just press Ctrl and minus on Windows or Command and minus on Mac. And if you ever want to instantly fit your image back to the screen, press Ctrl and 0 on Windows or Command and 0 on Mac. This is one of the easiest ways to move around your canvas when you're working on detailed edits. Another simple way to zoom is with your mouse wheel. Hold down Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, then scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in and down to zoom out. This method is really handy because you can zoom in and out quickly without needing to leave your image. If you want more control, you can use the zoom tool. Just press Z on your keyboard to activate it from the toolbar. Then click anywhere on the image to zoom in on that specific area. If you need to zoom out with the zoom tool, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac while clicking. That will reverse the zoom and bring you back out. This is especially useful when you're working on small details and need to focus on a specific part of the image. Now, once you're zoomed in, you may need to move around the image without changing the zoom level. To do that, hold the space bar to temporarily switch to the hand tool. While holding space, click and drag your mouse to pan across different parts of the image. This makes it much easier to navigate when you're zoomed in close and need to inspect several areas. So to quickly recap, use Ctrl or Command plus to zoom in, Ctrl or Command minus to zoom out, Ctrl or Command 0 to fit the image to screen. Hold Alt or Option and scroll the mouse wheel for smooth zooming. Press Z for the zoom tool and hold space bar to move around while zoomed in. That's the full process for zooming in on an image in Photopea. And once you get used to these shortcuts, editing becomes much faster and easier. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next Photopea tutorial.